Alright, I'm going to do a quick video here on this little money bag with the combination. So it comes with the combination of 000. You know, this is a little money bag you can put in your safe in case you want to hide a little money from your kids or your husband or wife. You can still put it in your safe, so they will have to know the combination to open it up. But anyway, they can always get a knife and cut it. If they do that, it's time to get a divorce or move on. But anyway, I'm gonna just show you how this little thing works. It's pretty neat. All right, we're gonna take some measurements of this thing. Right here, it's about 7 3/4 by 5. And to open this thing, it gives a little arrow right here. It says slide it this way. And you see the combination comes with 000. And you open it. I'll zip it. Let's see, and it got the stuff inside. And if you want one of these, just look in the description below. Okay, here's your instructions, but they're really simple. I'm gonna walk you through on how to open this thing and how to change your combination. And read this right here, is very important. If you forget your combination, there's no reset to open it. So if you forget the combination, you're probably going to end up have to break this thing or cut it loose, because there's no reset combination. So here we go. Okay, it comes from the factory, set at 000, and you see that little arrow right here. To open that, you just put your hand right here and slide it away from the numbers and pull this open. Then you can unzip it and put your money in it. If you want to change the combination, we're going to change it to 1 2 3. Just leave this open, push this forward, and change your combination. We're going to change it to 1 2 3. So we got the combination 1 2 3. You got to keep pushing it. Then you let it go. So that's your new combination, 1 2 3. So we're gonna go ahead and zip this. We're gonna lock it. We're gonna just turn that a couple of times to 003, and you're not able to open it. Like they said, if you forget the combination, there's no reset. So my combination is 1 2 3. So I'm gonna set it at 1 2 3, and slide it away from the numbers, and there you go. It'll pop open. So if I want to change that back to 000, just push it forward and change that 0 0 0. We're going to lock it. I'm going to just move this combination, and you're not able to open it. So that's all to it. So we're going to take it and open it, put a little money in there, see if it fit good. Alright, I'm going to have to hide this from my wife right here. Just take the money, poke it in there. There you go. Zip it back up. The combination is 000. Lock it. Change the combination. There you go. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And if you want one of these, just look in the description below. Alright, thank you and have a great day.